everyone, I'm Jackie. Today we'll make japchae or glass noodle. Japchae is one of American favorite Korean food, and I've been making this for many American friends for over 10 years, and most of them liked it. They often ask me how to make japchae, but they seem to give up listening while I'm explaining because the recipe sounds somewhat complicated. Actually, the traditional recipe is quite complicated. Especially to cook the glass noodle, you have to soak, boil, rinse, drain, and stir fry. So I try to simplify the process and reduce the cooking time. You will just soak and boil the glass noodle with my recipe. We usually make japchae for holidays or parties, so we make quite a big amount of it. This is for around 6 to 8 people. 1 pound of sweet potato glass noodles, 1 medium carrot, 1 medium onion, 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, 7 ounces of pork. Sauce ingredient: soy sauce, vegetable oil, minced garlic, sugar, sesame oil, sesame, black pepper, and salt. Soak the glass noodle in the water for 1 to 2 hours. So you need to do this before you start cooking japchae. My mixing bowl was not big enough, so I pushed the jutting part into the water around 10 minutes later. Then the whole glass noodle is soaked. This is what it looks like 1 hour later. Slice the pork and marinate it with soy sauce, black pepper, minced garlic, sesame oil. Marination takes some time, so let it sit there while you are preparing other vegetables. Cut onion into half and slice it as thin as the sliced pork. Slice carrot and julienne it. Cut red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper into thin strips. Bell peppers are colorful, so they make japchae beautiful. But you can replace them with your favorite vegetables like mushrooms or spinach. This is the glass noodles soaked in the water for 1.5 hours. After draining it, you cut the noodles into 4 or 5 inch length. If you are not good at using chopsticks, you can cut it shorter for fork using. You need a large pot with enough space like this. Just add 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Then you put the noodle into the pot and add water until the 2/3 of the noodles are soaked. Boil it on high heat and mix the noodles with the sauce on the bottom. Stir it periodically with a wooden spoon. When it boils, lower down the heat to medium and stir it sometimes for about 8 to 10 minutes. Be careful not to burn the noodle. Turn off the heat when the noodles are tender enough and only a little amount of water is left on the bottom. Taste it and add salt or soy sauce if you want. Transfer the noodles into the bowl and cool it down for over 10 minutes. Heat up a skillet over medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Put the onion with a pinch of salt. Stir fry it about 2 minutes until the onion looks a little translucent. Add carrot and stir fry for 2 more minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and stir fry the bell pepper slices with pinch of salt. Cook for 2 minutes. If you want more vivid colors, you better stir fry the vegetables respectively. In the end, you stir fry the marinated pork. When the noodles and the vegetables cool down a little bit, add some sesame oil and sesame. Mix them with your hands. Taste it and add some salt, soy sauce or sugar if you need more. It's done.